So that brings us to our specific approach at Artemis Robotics. We're developing a technology that we call HASEL Artificial Muscles. These actuators consist of a flexible polymer shell. Electrodes cover the outside of that shell, and they're filled with an insulating liquid. So when you apply a voltage across the electrodes, you have positive charges on one side, negative on the other. The electrodes zip together, pumping the fluid to a different part of the shell, resulting in an overall change in length or contraction of the actuators. So essentially what we're doing is coupling electrostatic forces with hydraulics to get motion. And really this approach is enabled by flexible electronics. We have a polymer shell, high permittivity, high dielectric strength, typically working with thin films, 10 to 20 micron thick. We have electrodes, flexible electrodes that can be applied with screen printing, and they don't have to be particularly conductive electrodes. The liquid itself just needs to be compatible with the polymer shell and have good dielectric properties. We need good adhesion between the polymer layers, so typically we're heat sealing polymers together. You can also look into using adhesives.